How to replace a gearbox. Step 1. Remove the wheel with a power tool. Step 2. Take off brake pot. Keep the parts to prevent them from being lost. Step 3. Take off the waterproof plate. Secure the back nut with a stay wrench and remove the screws with a power tool. Step 4. Use the specialized tool to extract the half shaft. Then repeat the steps to extract the other half shaft. Step 5. Remove the gearbox. Firstly, pull out the shift cable. Secondly, remove the screws. Step 6. If the motor shields the gearbox, it is necessary to first remove the motor. Then remove the gearbox.